this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw in Google Slides. Now, Google Slides makes it possible for you to go ahead and draw anything. And if you want to just scribble on your slides, then you can do this perfectly well. Now, if you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the slide you want to write on or to draw on. And for my case, I want to draw on this slide. Once you're here, go ahead and click on Insert. And from Insert, look for the option called Line. And here under Line, we can go ahead and choose anything we want to draw. So if you just want to draw a line, you can use this. Arrow, you can use this. Elbow connector, and there are so many other options like curve, and the list is just endless. For my case, I just want to scribble. So I'll go ahead and click on Scribble here. And then go to the place where you want to draw and just draw anything that you wish. So if you want to put a signature or you just want to write your own things, it will be done so. Now from here, you can go ahead and change the line color as you wish. If you're not happy with that color, you can change it to any of these. You can also change the line weight by selecting any of these. It will make your line thicker or thinner. Alternatively, there is a shortcut for you to draw on your slides. You can use this option here. If you see this icon here called Scribble, if you click under it, you can see we also have an option to choose any of the drawing that you want. And now you can also go ahead and click on Scribble here, and it will again give you the same option, and you can now draw anything as you wish. So that's how you can draw on Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.